We were checking open sentence, and we said when there are unknown or missing numbers in a sum or an equation, such sums or equation are referred to as algebra or open sentence. So whenever you are having the mixture of a letter and a number, or letter and number with the signs, you are having what we call algebra or open sentence. Or whenever something, a number is missing in an equation, it's a sum of an equation, whenever a number is missing or represented by a letter, so you are having what we call algebra or open sentence. We went through all these examples. Now let's check this now, our correction. Let's check this for our correction. Number 1 says b minus 12 equals to 14. We're going to eliminate minus 12, but in a mathematical way. How do we eliminate? To eliminate minus 12, because we have to find b. So our minus 12 is hindering it. So we need to eliminate minus 12 in a mathematical way. And this is how we do it. We're going to use the opposite sign of this. An opposite sign of minus is addition. Opposite sign of this minus is plus. And whenever we have plus, the opposite sign for plus will be minus. Is that taken?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is b minus 12. This b minus 12 we need plus 12, which equals to, and whatever we do to this side, we need to do it to both sides. Plus 12. We make use of plus 12 here, we should use plus 12 on the other side. Now, looking at it now, minus 12 plus 12, it rendered it 0. So you hold 12 and you have 12. Minus 12 plus 12 is 0. Then we are now left with b on this angle equal to 14 plus 12. We have our answer to be what? 26. So answer now, it would be b equals to 26. b equal to 26. Now let's go for example 2. Example 2, 5x minus 25 equal to 2x plus 11. Now, this is another wonderful example in which we need to pay attention because it's quite different from example 1. Now, we have to find this x. Then what we did for the first one, if you look at it now, what we did for the first example here, that we eliminate this minus 12, we should eliminate this minus 25 too. We eliminated minus 12 here, we should eliminate minus 25 here and eliminate it on both sides. Now, how do we do it? We're going to have 5x, we're having minus 12 here and minus 25 here. So, how we eliminate it, we use plus 25. So, minus 25 plus 25. And as we have done to this place, we do it to the other side. Equal to 2x plus 11 plus 25. Now, we use plus 25 here, we should use plus 25 here. Is that taken? Is that taken?
Yes, sir.
Now, naturally now we've eliminated minus 25 that is standing here. So we are left with 5x equals to 2x. 11 plus 25 now will give us what?
36.
It will give us 36. Now, we've done something. We still need to eliminate this. And how do we eliminate it mathematically? This is plus 2x. Then we need minus 2x. Then we have 5x equals to 2x minus 2x plus 36. Now, as we are doing it, before we write, now let me recap. We have 5x here, we need minus 2x. That minus 2x, we should bring it here too. Equals to, because whatever we do to this first one, we should do it to the second one. So equals to 2x minus 2x plus 36. So that we'll be able to, we won't say because we want to eliminate this, we will not reflect it here. As you are eliminating here, we should reflect it here. Now 5 minus 2 now will give us 3x equal to, this one is out of the game now, so it's crushed out. We no longer need it because plus 2 minus 2 is 0. Then we are left with plus 36. But this plus 36 now, we don't need to write it, we don't need to show this sign, just write 36. Now with where we are now, with what we are left with, we have 3x equals to 36. This one now is a simple case now, because all we just need is divide both sides. Divide both sides by what is disturbing x. This is by 3. 3 is the one that is not making x to stand alone. So we have 3x equals to 36. So divide here, divide here. 3 will cancel 3 here. Then we have 3 and 3, 1. 3 is 6, 2. So our x will equal to 12. Is that taken?
Yes.
Is that taken?
Yes.
Now, I told you how to check it in the morning. You can as well check. You can check. Check now. How do we check it? We say our x is 12. For you to know whether it's correct or not. So we have two equations here. This is the first equation. This is the second equation. 5x minus 25. So we slot in what we have gotten as x, which is 12. We will slot it in here to see whether it will give us, if we get the same answer for this particular one and we get the same answer for the second one too, that means our answer is correct. So let's slot in our x. X is 12. Put it in a bracket, minus 25. So 5 times 12 is what?
60.
So we are having 60 minus 25. 60 minus 25 is what?
35.
35. So if that means this 5x minus 25 is 35. If we are able to get 35 here, it means we are correct. Is that taken?
Yes.
So let's see whether this one too will give us 35. The equation is 2x plus 11. So 2, slot in 12 into that place, plus 11. So 2 times 12 is what?
24.
Please speak out. 2 times 12 is what?
24.
24 plus 11. 24 plus 11 is what?
35.
You can see it means our answer is correct. So whenever you now slot it in and you don't get the same thing, that means what you have gotten here is not correct. Is that taken?
Yes, sir.
So please, it's a step-by-step procedure. You just need to follow the step. If you want to do it, you need to follow the step. We eliminate this mathematical way by add it to both sides, in which we did here. We add this and we said the opposite sign, because when this one cross to the other side, this minus 25 will become plus 25. So we use plus 25 here and we use it on the other side too. And then when we have done that, we sort it out, we get this, but this one is still hindering it. We need to also eliminate it in mathematical way by saying this is plus 2x by using minus 2x on first side and minus 2x on the second side to eliminate it, and we are left with 3x equals to 36. Then we divide both sides by what is still hindering our x, which is 3. So, and we arrive at 12, and we are able to get our answer right.